Yo, Stocks 5150, we are back again. The time now is what? 9 9:08. So we got 22 minutes before the market opens. We're gonna do a little charting. We in the hole right now. Hopefully we can climb out of it. This thing was up here. So let's go. Let's do what we gotta do, right? Let's do what we gotta do. We ain't gonna worry about that. Let's go to the daily. We're gonna map out, see where we at. Get rid of this. So we still got this gap that hasn't been filled. That's from Thursday. Well, Friday. So this gap right here is still here. So that's still active. And yesterday's high, which was the 26th. So let's give us that price line. Let's see. So the high for the 26th was, oh wait, I got stuff in the way. I just changed my order, but I didn't mean to do that. I was trying to slide it over. We'll adjust that later though. Why is it not letting me slide get over here? Thank you. Out of the way. All right, so the high yesterday was 30, 30,119, 30,119. So 30,119. We'll just keep it round, keep it like that. That's close enough. What happened to it? It disappeared. Hold on, I'm messing up somehow or another. The high was 30,119, right? So get rid of that. 30,119 price line. Put it there. Other price line. We'll just use this gap right there for that bottom part. But focus on this 30,119. That's the high from yesterday. We're gonna take this and make this be the green line. No, it'll be yellow now. The box. Keep that as red. That's the gap right there at the bottom. And overnight high, which is where we are now. So what we are is we're above. So we got a gap up. And we were as high as 30,380. 30,000. Almost went to that 400, which was up there. 30,380. That's going to be green. Boom. All right. So right now, we already know our target, our order. We got in at 30,070. And right now we are sitting, well, we were as low as, we were down as much as 14. So we're getting a little retracement now, right before the open. So what we would like to see is this gap to close today. That would be perfect. Now I adjusted that because I needed to get it out of the way so I could see it, but I'm gonna have to move that back. Let's go to the 4 hour and take a look. We can see here on the 4 hour what popped up. This is off of this candle right here. This is semiconductor news. I didn't know that earlier. Had I known that last night, the banks upgraded the semiconductors and the market went crazy. They upgraded Micron. And so the market went crazy off of that, man. It's really weird how everything is acting. Just because they say so, it's just okay, that's what it's gonna cost. It's like the forward guidance is really wild how the market moves. It just It doesn't wait for the price. It assumes that's where the price is gonna go. So with that being said, we're dropping now. We're up. I was down 1,400, now down 800. So hopefully this is a bull trap for those cats up there that they caught the new money buyers up there, trapped them up there, and us old money shorts, we holding and don't start squeezing. And if we can come on down and get like I said, we can come down and fill this gap. That'll be super perfect. Now, that being said, I need to at least put this right here to about, I was at 30,070. That was my price. I need to make sure orders. What did I have this at? I had it at 30,042. 30,042. Yeah, I think I was just trying to do 30 points off of that. But now with all this pop and drop, see if we can get in on this with this gap close, with this gap fill. Maybe we come back down to, well, 30,074. This is kind of where we were. That's the high. And that's when we went short at. So, I don't know. Go to the 1 hour, take a look, get a little granular, get into it a little bit more. Yeah, realistically, maybe this 48 will come here. So right now we're bouncing off the 14, off the 5. If we can pull back to the 14, uh, but we're gonna need a huge pullback. I got this at 20. I got a new order in at 29,974, which would be 100 points. 100 points down below. And that's three contract. We'll see what that gets. Let's see, what would that get us if it hits? That would be 500. We'll see how it goes. Probably should take that to 80. All right, right there. All right, so right now we're kind of getting a push up, getting a little push back up. So what I'm thinking, maybe what I would like to see is this. What I would like to see is us to, of course, the market open and we continue to pull back and we come down and hit this 48 on the 1 hour. That would be perfect. We come down, hit this 48 target. That would be good. That would still be higher, you know what I'm saying, from previous days. And we hit this bounce and then go back up. Because now we got buyers here. We got them trapped up there. So we know we got liquidity up here. But we come down and close some of this out. And I won't even lie to you. If we come down to 30,100 and I'm kind of sitting here watching, I might even close out. Just call it a day. Waking up and being down 1,400. Well, I wasn't down 14. I was down like 800 and it ran up because I really said, oh yeah, two things happened overnight. We had Iran news and we had Iran news and we had what else? Iran news and we had what's that other news that we had? Um dang We had Iran news and we had semiconductor news. So we're just gonna sit tight. We got 14 minutes for the start. All right, yo, we live. Market is active. What are we doing? Pulling back. Nice. Glad I didn't close out my position. That'd been sick. So we're down 400 now. Put this on the 1 minute. Hold on a second. I need to do something. All right, so Sox was crashing. That's good. We needed to go back down to 145 up and get a bounce. Getting a bounce. I don't want the background to show. Okay, that's better. All right, so this is the PLC right now from overnight. So PLC now, the point of control is here, and we're down here. So we're gonna see how this goes. All right, we're getting the bounce. This is off the top, off the high from last night, overnight. So we need to pull back. We're on the previous day high right now. So hopefully pull back, hit here, and then sell some more. Fill this gap. So we hit the 200, but still, we're still down 400. Need another push back down. We need to pull back. We want to get below 30,000. What I want to see is let's get below this level here, of course, and get down here. My order is here where I went short, which is insane. I missed all that money last night. But that's what I get for being greedy, you know what I'm saying? Right now, though, let's hope the market sentiment takes over and everybody's like, oh, and start taking profits. Start taking profits and start shorting. So 120, we got 30,120. Probably going to be a bounce right there. It's a huge lot right there. And 135 also. 135. So we got some buyers in here. But we need to flush through it. Flush through it. Come on, let's go.
Stop sell. Stop sell. Stop sell. Sell. Stop sell. Stop sell. Stop sell. Sweet sellers. Stop sell. Sweet sellers. Sweet buyers. Sweet buyers. Stop buy. Stop buy. Sweet buyers. Stop sell. Stop sell. Stop buy. Stop buy. Iceberg sell. Iceberg sell. Stop sell. Stop sell.
Stop by.
Stop buy. Stop buy.
All right, got that book map on there now. All right, there we go. We crashing. That's good. Let's go. Let's
Stop
drop.
by. Stop by. Stop sell. Stop sell. Iceberg sell. Iceberg sell. Stop sell. Stop sell. Stop sell. Stop sell. Stop sell.
All right, we're coming
Stop
up on our
sell.
gap fill,
Sweep
which is where my
buyers. Sweep buyers.
order was at actually.
Stop by. Stop by.
3070. So it's crazy that right where my short is at, the 3070, is the actual line in the sand. That's the previous day low. And yeah, so
Stop
let's see if
sell.
we're gonna hold that or
Stop
if we're gonna
sell.
continue to drop.
Sweep buyers. Sweep buyers.
Boom, we're
Stop
green.
by.
Let's go.
Stop by.
Let's go. Keep going.
Stop sell.
Patience
Stop sell.
pays. Will patience continue to pay? We shall
Sweep
see.
sellers. Sweep sellers. Sweep sellers. Sweep buyers. Sweep buyers. Sweep buyers.
If we can get down to
Stop by.
30,000.
Stop by.
What am I looking like on my September contract? Right quick. I still red.
Stop by.
Good
Stop
grief.
by. Stop sell.
That one's
Stop
still in the
sell.
hole. Need 50 more points for that order to hit. All right, so we bounced. We bounced. So let's see. Decide if I want to get out or not. Let me get us another pullback. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, I lost focus. I should have took that one and got out. Here we go. Let's go. Let's drop. Let's take this down a little lower. Here we go. Let's go. Move
Stop
lower.
sell. Stop sell.
Nice. Let's drop.
Stop sell. Stop sell.
Let's go. 3051, 3057. Let's go.
Sweep sellers. Sweep sellers. Sweep sellers. Stop sell. Stop sell. Iceberg buy. Iceberg buy.
All right, let's go. We at 100.
Stop sell.
All right, looking
Stop
good.
sell. Stop sell. Stop sell.
Let's go. Let's
Sweep
drop. Let's
sellers.
drop. Let's drop.
Stop sell. Iceberg
Let's
buy.
drop.
Iceberg buy. Stop sell.
Let's
Sweep
drop.
buyers. Sweep buyers. Iceberg sell.
Continue down.
Iceberg sell. Sweep
Iceberg
buyers.
sell.
Sweep buyers. Stop sell. Stop sell.
Let's go. We at 29,981. 30,000 will probably be the target. We hit 30,000, I'll probably get out, be honest with you.
Iceberg buy. Iceberg buy. Iceberg buy. Iceberg buy.
I'll be 30. All right, we're
Iceberg
gonna get out
sell.
at 30,000 now.
Iceberg sell.
Bring this up. All right, so I brought it up to 30,000. 30,000 to be that, yeah. Hey, all right, September
Iceberg
contract
buy.
just hit.
Iceberg buy.
Pushing,
Sweep
pushing,
seller.
pushing. Let's go.
Stop sell.
30,000,
Sweep
30,000,
sellers.
30,000.
Stop sell.
Hey, let's
Sweep
go.
buyers. Sweep buyers.
That boy feel good.
Sweep
That boy
buyers.
happy.
Sweep buyers. Sweep buyers. Sweep sellers.
Yeah.
Stop sell.
All right, I'm gonna tell you
Stop
why.
sell.
Let me silence this right quick, man. It's still going down. We're still going down. Stocks 5150, man.
Sweep
Stocks are
sellers.
crazy.
Stop sell.
Stock
Sweep
sale, a stock
sellers.
sale.
Sweep
What
sellers.
happened? Let me
Stop buy.
pause this right quick.
Stop
Let's
buy.
see. All right, all right, all right. So what happened was I went short here and overnight they had semiconductor run up and then Iran news and the market was up here. I was down $1,400, right? Down $1,400. I was patient. I was patient. I sat and look at that. We crashing out right now. Got my target above and beyond. We got 415. Yeah, yeah. I won't lie. I love these endorphins. I love it. Both hit, man. Both hit. Both targets hit. So what we got? We are talking about our transactions. Let's see. You can see here I bought two. Where was this? This was yesterday, the PM. At 6:23 p.m. yesterday, I went short on the June contract and I went short on the September contract at 30,042. And as you can see, we're down now, 29,980. We hit the target on both of those. Respect on the September contract, we hit at 30,024. Boom, target acquired. We hit it. It don't show how much we got though. Why is it not showing how much we got? Put this on here. All right, stay focused. All right, so 623 yesterday, I went short with two contracts, and then it would started going against me. So I'll just talk about the June contract. So I added one more because I was like, okay, let me bring my cost basis up a little bit. Well, you can see that was at 906. I went to bed. Also, I went short in the September contract. I went to sleep, woke up this morning, and we was in the hole, yo. I mean, down $1,400. But we were patient. We held it. We didn't quit. We held it. It worked out. They had Iran news. They had Micron news. The banks upgraded, and boom, swept the Asia low. And what happened? So at 943, boom, Target acquired on that September contract, $40. Remember, $40 a day is all we need to get. We got 45 on that. On the June contract, we had those three contracts in there, and we got 161 on the two that we had. That was previous. That was the previous ones, and we got 250 on the one that we went in when we bought because it was going down lower. So boom, total for the day, $450, yo, 450, and the time is 9:46. Yeah. I'm gonna shut this video down because we are finished. 450 on the day. Let's go. Stocks are crazy. It's still selling off. I feel it. Feel it. It's cool though. We ain't doing nothing else. We made the money for the day. Look at that. That is gangster. That is gangster. We coming back down. We might close this gap today. You think? Either way, I'm gonna stop this video and maybe I'll go back live again and we'll see what it is. All right. Peace.